So in this video we will understand how to draw Venn diagram for any given set and universal set. Okay. उससे पहले मेरे को एक चीज बताना था जो last topic था, that was a universal set. Okay. So I have forgot to tell you that we use capital letter U to denote universal set. To denote any universal set, we use only capital letter U. That is the letter we use to denote capital letter U. Like there is a we use a capital letter N for natural set, for natural number, set of natural number. Similarly we use a capital letter U to denote a universal set. Now we'll move on to how to draw Venn diagram. For any given set. Let's say we are given a universal set U that has element -1 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. These are the element that U has, matlab universal set has. Let's say there are two other set that has element 0 1 2 3, and let's take another set B has element set B has element -1 0 4 5. Okay, these are the element B has. Now we have to draw Venn diagram. For set A and set B and universal set U. Now there are specific shape we use for universal set and other set. Okay, for specifically universal set we use only rectangle, and for other set like A and B we use circle. So to draw Venn diagram for the given set, we have to draw rectangle for universal set. So this is the region for universal set. मतलब जितना भी elements है universal set में वो सारा elements इसके अंदर आएगा. Okay, क्योंकि this is the region for universal set. This rectangle is the region for universal set. मतलब इसके अंदर में कौन सा elements आएगा जो U को belong करता, मतलब जो elements U के अंदर में है वही elements इस region के अंदर में आएगा. Next हम लोग को circle use करना है A and B में, A and B के लिए. So before using a circle, before drawing circle, first see if there are common elements or not. Okay, so if there are common elements in A and B, so in this example I have considered that 0 is common. Okay, common element is 0. See, 0 is the common element. 0 is the element that belong to both set A and set B. So if there are common element, then सर्कल ऑफ ए विल बी ओवरलैपिंग विद सर्कल ऑफ बी. अगर कुछ कॉमन है मतलब ए का रीजन और बी के रीजन ओवरलैप करेगा. ओके, सो उसके लिए हम लोग पहले हम लोग सर्कल बनाएंगे. सो रेड इज द आई एम यूजिंग रेड कलर फॉर ए एंड आई एम यूजिंग ब्लू कलर फॉर बी. तो जो कॉमन एलिमेंट है, सो आवर कॉमन एलिमेंट इज 0. सो 0 विल बी इन दिस रीजन. Okay, 0 will be in this common region because this is the region where common element will be there. Okay, that is why we have overlapped the region of A as well as B. So this is the region of A, this is the region of B. Okay, next the remaining elements of A, which are 1 2 and 3, so those elements will be here. Okay, so see, this red circle is the complete region of A. This is the region of A. Okay, and region A has 1 element, 2 element, 3 and 4. All the elements are there. Okay, so that is how you draw, that is how you put the elements. Next we have to write all the elements of B. So how to write all the elements of B? So this is the region for B, and B will have element -1 0 4 5. So here will be 0 is already here, -1 4 5, and there are some remaining element in the universal set which is 6, and that 6 will be outside of this region. Okay, ये जो region है इसके बाहर होगा 6 यहाँ पे. ठीक है, you can put anywhere outside the region of AB. So in this region only the elements that belong to A or B will be there in this region. Okay, क्योंकि ये A और B का रीजन है, मतलब A या फिर B का इतना रीजन, इतने इसके अंदर में A का एलिमेंट्स आएगा, इसके अंदर में B के एलिमेंट्स आएगा, और बाकी जो एलिमेंट है वो बाहर में आएगा, इस रीजन में आएगा. ओके, सो हाउ डू वी तो हमने हाउ वी हैव स्टार्टेड दिस. फर्स्ट we have found that if there are common elements or not, and there was common element such as 0 then we have put that zero element in the common region, okay. Then remaining elements like 1, 2 and 3 here, because this is the region of A, so it will be in this region only. Then remaining element minus 1, 4, 5, that will be here because this is the region of B. Okay, now we will take another example. Let's say this is let's consider the same universal set. Okay, let's say this is the universal set only. We will consider new x and y. Let's say x has element and y has element. Okay, x has element minus 1, 0, 1, y has element 2, 3 and 4. So similarly we will draw rectangle for universal set. Next, check if there is common or not. So if you see here, there is no element common. If in the given sets there is no element common, then region of x will not overlap with region of y. Means circle of x will not overlap with circle of y. Okay, so just draw the circle and do not overlap those circles. Okay, do not overlap those circles. Just simply draw. Okay, this is x, this is y. Now x has element minus 1, 0 and 1. Y has element 2, 3, 4. Okay, there are some remaining elements. Okay, so what are the remaining elements? Minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 5 and 6 are the remaining elements from the universal set. So that will be outside the region of x and y. 5, 6. Okay, and this is how we draw Venn diagram. And specifically this is actually called a disjoint set. These set are called disjoint set. Why disjoint set? Because there are no elements common. So whenever there is no element common, we say that the sets are disjoint sets. Now next we'll move on to another example. Mm, let's take set C that has element minus 1, 0, 1, and D has element minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the elements. Now this is another case where we have elements common. Okay, like in the first case has elements common. This is also a case where elements are common, but there is a little difference. Now in the first case, if you see properly, all the elements are not common. Sorry. So if you see properly, all the elements are not common. No, all the elements are not common. Only one element is common. या फिर I can say some elements are common, not all elements are common. Now in this case, from the set C, all the elements are there in D. Okay, that means every element of C is common. Okay, so this is actually case where C is the subset of D. This is C and this is subset. Okay, in this case C is the subset of D. This is a case where C is the subset of D. Now what was the first case? First case was given in the given sets. In the given sets, some elements were common. Then second case, no elements were common. In the third case, every element of first set belong to the second set. Every element of the first set belong to second set. That means C is the subset of the D. What is the case? C is the subset of D. So this is the third case. Now in this case, when we draw universal set, this is universal set. Now in this case, region of C will be inside D, because every element of C will be element of D. Means every element of C is the element of D. That means C set will be inside D. So let's say this is D. Let's say this is D. Okay, D. So you have to draw circle. So by mistake, you have to draw circle. Okay. सो सर्कल के अंदर में क्या क्या आएगा? -1 आएगा, 0, okay. These are the element of D. Now inside this I have to draw Now minus 1 0 1 are the element of C, so these are the element of C. Okay, that is why I said that that C will be inside of D, because these are the element of C, these are the element of C, and this is the region of D, and these are the element of C. So you can see that C is inside D. So we have to, by default, if you see subset, draw the circle, the subset, the smaller set. Okay, so this is the smaller set, I can say, or I can say this is the subset of D. So the set which is subset, draw that set, draw the region of the set inside the other set. Okay, so we will draw this region inside. This is the region of C, and we will draw C inside D, because C is the subset of D. So what are the elements C has? Minus 1 0 1. What are the element D has? Minus 1 0 1 2 3. So 2 3 will be outside. And what are the elements that do not belong to C and D? 4 5 and 6. So 4 5 and 6 will be here. 4 5 6. Okay, this is how we draw Venn diagram when one set is subset of another set. Now यहाँ पे क्या सबसेट है? C सबसेट है D का ना, तो C का जो रीजन है वो D के अंदर में आएगा. ठीक है, so ये D का रीजन है. Now here D is a superset. If C is the subset of D, then D is the superset and C is the subset. तो जो subset है वो अंदर में आएगा, जो superset है वो बाहर आएगा. Okay, so this is the superset, which is, this is the subset which is inside of D. Okay, now if you can check here properly, now D, this is the region of D, this is the region of D. Now D के अंदर में कौन सा एलिमेंट है? 2 3 minus 1 0 1 minus 1 0 1 2 3. करेक्ट. दिस इज द रीजन ऑफ C, इसके अंदर में क्या है? minus 1 0 1 minus 1 0 1. Okay, and what are the remaining elements that do not belong to C and D? 4 5 and 6. Okay, this is how, this is the three case, these are the three cases that you will most probably encounter with the problem, encounter in the problem. So first case, what was the first case? That A and B has some element common, not all element, some element common. Okay, so first we'll put the common elements in the common region, then we will put other elements. Okay, next, in the second case, what we have faced, we have faced that in the given two set no elements were common. If no elements are common, then region of X and region of Y will not be coinciding. Okay, then we have seen third case where element of C, all the element of C belong to set D. Okay, all the element of C belong to set D. That means C is the subset of D, and whenever C will be a subset of D, that set will be inside of the other set. Okay, this is how we draw Venn diagram. And sorry, I forgot to write U. This is universal set, so write capital letter U inside the region. Okay, so this is how you draw Venn diagram for any given pair of sets. Okay, so there can be any number of set, not only two set. This is just for understanding. In the upcoming problem we will see more than two set, up to three set we will see. So in the problem there will be, they will be given more than two set, for example three set, three number of set, not more than three set will be given in the problem. So this is for the topic Venn diagram. Then in the next video we will see operation on set, that will be also based on the Venn diagram only. So thank you.